Initial years, depreciation is always higher. So that benefit you take, not a problem. Yes, sir. आप लोग ऐसा साथ में मत बैठो, मेरे लिए बहुत dangerous combination है. Okay. And I always see your better half on your right side. अभी आज, anyway, okay. He's the best. Okay, right? हाँ. हाँ. He मतलब कौन सर? ये he, correct. हाँ. For him, na? Huh? Huh? Yes, yes sir, I repeat, depreciation will be 80, usage will be 20, so you still, the tax saving on 80, yes. Did you, I don't know. So all the, yes, so all the more reason that I allow you to take the tax benefit. No, it's not going to come to me. So you take the tax benefit. Compensate me by allowing you to pay 20, 15, 18 negotiations. That's sir. Bolo na. No, one sec. Let's not go into dry and wet lease. Look na. I'll tell you, my class will go uneven. Some of them no dry. Let me just finish, right? Because a dry word is different, sir. Different people will have different connotations. Dry day bhi hota hai na? Haan. Okay. $50 dirham. हाँ हाँ ठीक है बोलिए बोलिए $50 dirham. हाँ हाँ yeah sure, I'll explain again. Usage charges is nothing but an expense, and any expense, Subramanian sir, which comes before tax is known as pre-tax. Any expense which comes before tax is pre-tax. So there, moment any expense is pre-tax, you will have this concept of tax shield. And what I explained to the class is, if I am paying 50 rupees, I get a tax shield of 50 into T, 10%, 5 rupees. So though I am paying 50 rupees, I will pay 5 rupees lower tax to the government. So net what I am paying is only 45, is what I was again emphasizing. Clear? Now we start with two types of, so leasing is done. Now we start with two types of lease. I have got one question which is pending, which I'll take after I finish this. One is financial lease. What is financial? I've given the noting, so those who have come slightly late should please take it up. Let me discuss it. Soon as you want to lease it out from me, take it for 20 years. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Ribu, you can't come back in 2 years and say take the machinery back. Not at all. Financial lease, okay? It is still maturity. 20 साल का contract है, sign करेंगे, okay? 20 साल, finish. ये period है, don't come back and give it to me. Second type is known as operating lease. Yeah, Dhananjay sahab, no problem, right? It's a machinery which is commonly used. After 3 years, if you don't want it, come and give it back to me. मैं इनको चिपका देगा. कोई problem नहीं. Okay, I have got a lot of people operating lease. But hello, you have the flexibility to come and give it to me back any time. The lease rent, banking में कुछ free नहीं होता है साहब. कोई किसका दोस्त नहीं. Lease rentals will be higher here as compared to here. पहला तो 20 साल आपको रखना है. You can't give it back to me. You pay 100 units as lease rental. Oh, you want an operating lease, which allows you the flexibility to come and give it back to me anytime that you want. I'm sorry, you take your call. If it is financial lease, 100 is your lease rental. Operating lease, just I want 140, 150, point taken, different leases. We are very comfortable as a bank with financial lease. We are not very comfortable, it's obvious. We are not very comfortable with operating lease. Having said that, right? This is when I was in the bank. I have been told now with so much competition and primarily from ICICI, here comes the name again, and another bank which is increasingly getting competitive in India, Axis Bank. Axis is now turning on the heat on all of us, okay, right? Even SBI is compelled to go for operating leases. Given a preference, you as a banker, you should have financial lease. No problem, 20 years steady cash flow. Operating lease, that guy will come and give it to me anytime. Please understand, lease rentals will be higher, and we discussed that yesterday, and I'm sure you have got some working knowledge with you beyond the course. There will be a foreclosure charges. There will be a foreclosure charges. I've already given a noting on financial lease and operating lease. Please refer to it. Now comes the point that he was saying. Deccan, Air Deccan. Sir, I was very, very scared about this scrip till Malia took over. Though I have the highest admiration for Mr. Gopinath, people may say anything about him, that a pilot cannot become a businessman or all that crap. I have myself enjoyed the benefits of low airfare travel because of Air Deccan. Let me put it very simply. But I was not very comfortable with the script of Air Deccan because of one policy that was followed by, right, Mr. Gopinath. That is, he had most of his aircrafts on dry lease. Now you see, I am not questioning the great man, but I am only telling you my personal opinion why I was not comfortable. You see, nobody owns aircrafts. You can't. You have to lease it out. Boeing से आप सीधा Boeing, उधर Boeing से निकलता है. बैंक में नहीं रहता है सीधा. उस पे Boeing. You negotiate with Boeing straight. Come on. You give me your aircraft, right? I will pay you as lease rentals. If Boeing does not agree, then you approach a consortium of banker. Okay, today India has really progressed. They are directly negotiating with the aircraft producers. But suppose the aircraft says, no, we don't want to get into leasing. Then we approach a consortium of bankers and we take up the airlines. Point that I am referring to is, very few times you will find a aircraft company, airline industry rather, owning aircrafts. Very rarely you will find that. इसमें एक बड़ा controversy हुआ था. Jet Airways. Any guesses? Jet Airways. What is that single most asset of Jet Airways? Dicey money. जाने दो ना सर, वो कैमरा भी चालू है. Right? What else? है. There is allegations. इधर का ही पैसा है बोलते हैं ना. हाँ, but जाने दो सर, मुझे वापस भी जाना है. हाँ. What else? Single most asset which is crucial for Jet Airways. The brand of Jet Airways. Not the aircrafts. Brand. Mr. Goel is a smart operator. You know what he did? अरे किसी के पास एयरक्राफ्ट नहीं होता है, इनके पास उतना थोड़ी पैसा है, सब लीज पे उठाए रहते हैं लोग ने, सब लीज पे उठाए रहते हैं, okay? But what he smartly did was, I remember this case and I want to bring it to your attention. Very conveniently, he kept that Jet logo, the brand, in a separate company which was wholly owned by Mr. Goel. Wholly owned by Mr. Goel. Why? Brijesh, you want to take over, I am Goel, right? You want to take over my company? Take over the assets. Go, take the aircrafts. Anyway, it was not mine. Okay, take it over. I will launch another company, brand, logo. Are you getting what I am trying to say? People recognize Jet, uska wo aircraft nahi, sir. SEBI ने इसके ऊपर objection लिया. SEBI immediately raised an objection. I remember this case, that's why I wanted to discuss. Though I'm coming back to wet and dry, SEBI raised an objection. Securities Exchange Board of India, okay, for the colleague who is not aware of this, immediately SEBI put up an objection and said, Mr. Goel, this should come out as a risk factor. If an Alamgir is trying to invest in Jet Airways, he should know it is a risk factor, that Jet Airways as a company does not own this brand. It is owned by Mr. Goel. कल जाके गोयल बोलेगा नहीं ये ब्रांड देना नहीं है जेट एयरवेज को. That investor there who is holding Jet Airways shares is holding a piece of paper. Let me put it very clearly. SEBI immediately said either you transfer it to Jet Airways or you mention it as a risk factor. He sought the easier way out. He mentioned it as a risk factor. Okay, I hope you understand what I am trying to indicate, right? But coming back, right? It's a brand. Nobody. Point that I was emphasizing is no airline